Welcome and welcome again to my channel. It's been a while. Today we are at Keçiören Falls. This man-made waterfall is located in Keçiören district of Ankara, Turkey. It's a popular touristic attraction, especially during the summer days when visitors can enjoy the beautiful scenery. The water cascades down a series of rocks, creating an eye-catching sight. There is a glass bridge over the falls that offer visitors a unique perspective. The area around the fall is also well maintained, with plenty of green spaces and walking paths. The falls are a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy some peace. Thanks for watching. That's all for today, and see you again in the next video. Bye.